baby.
That is lows too, dude. You like the lows, yeah, man. Awesome, very good job, man. I appreciate the demo, man.
I seen you, man. I was like, man, I gotta.
Yes, sir. I gotta see the amp too. The amp rack on the side. All right. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. All right. I like it. Just tell me your name and what's in here. All right, let's do it.
I got 3 ZB5 15s on 112K terms MD. See it, man.
So you have 3 subs. What is it wired to on the amp?
That crazy home load.
0.6?
Yeah.
Okay.
Crazy.
Is this a seat?
Well, this is the battery box.
Really?
The 32150.
Wow.
The batteries at, see? -2.
Oh, okay. Yep.
2 runs coming from a CES.
Yep.
Alternator 320.
Nice. All right.
All Tempano.
This is very different because you have like a partial B pillar and then you close it in into like between a B and C pillar, so it's like a B C pillar. I don't know. Yeah.
Crazy, man.
I like it though, man. It's good.
Crazy.
Did you build all this?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Almost
All right. And you sealed it off, you could tell.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Sealed.
What is the tuning? Or peak frequency tuning, anything around that?
I think I got this thing tuned here because I like low, probably 28.
28, okay.
Yeah, 28, 30 is what I do to stay.
All right.
I'm just sundown.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'm ready.
All right.
Is it louder, windows down, up? I mean.
Just this window down.
Okay, let's do it.
Like this window down.
All right.
Do something, man.
Sounds good. All right. What's up? Yes, sir. I gotta see the amp too. The amp rack on the side. All right. Woo. So do you take your seat out to be louder because you can't fit it, or are you working on it?
I'm a builder, so
yes, sir.
I'm always building, and I took it out.
So you put the seat in here too. There you go. Yeah, I used to have a boat seat in my building. Yep, awesome. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Nice. Looks good. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vila. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of his system at the Summer Showcase show in Jacksonville, Florida area. He wasn't expecting to meet me at the show, so it was a little impressive to be able to meet him. He watches my videos, and shout out to everybody watching and hitting a like if you haven't already. Did a good job showcasing it at the show. 3 subwoofers instead of 2 makes this a very unique style system, and the way he has it fit inside of his vehicle. I didn't find out what vehicle it was, so if anybody knows, let me know in the comments. I'm not good on vehicles, but I do like the layout to where he has all this extra cabin space with the subwoofer top port on top of the 3 subs. And having his amplifier on the side means that he built his box all the way to the back of his vehicle, so he had a tight space fit. I didn't open up the doors or get in the back of the hatch to kind of see how far back it was, but I could definitely hear the mid-bass and tweeters screaming on the outside and inside of the vehicle. So really impressive to see him fit this box inside of here all the way to the back. We're going to be getting to a 3.5 minute bass demo now. He got some really low end frequency response into the mid 20 hertz range on these 3 15-inch subs. 12,000 watts RMS between the 3. I wish I would have found out the SPL score, but I have no clue. But I would have to guess it's at least a 55 dB plus. So hit the subscribe button and enjoy. has lows too, dude. You like the lows, yeah, man. Awesome, very good job, man. I appreciate the demo, man. Appreciate the demo. You have a good day. Stay cool, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.